Yes, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining today, taking out the time and joining. So, before I say anything else, I really want to thank each one of you for you know, uh, being with us. Some of you have been with us from the beginning, some of you joined midway, some of you joined recently, some of you are yet to join the ATL community. But every one of you has contributed to the journey that has brought us here today. And when we started Bold Conversations in January, we started with a simple intention to create opportunities for trainers to facilitate meaningful conversations. So, and over the last few months, we have collectively explored important topics, created learning experiences, and built loads of connections. So if I'm actually looking at bold conversations, we have 100 plus. If I'm looking at all the insider circles that we have 100 plus in each. So we have accumulated a lot of audience as we are going by. So before we talk about the future, I want to acknowledge the journey so far that I have had with all of you. My heart is filled with gratitude. My heart is filled with thankfulness that all of you have been a part of my journey. So thank you so much. This is actually from the bottom of my heart because you are the people who made Atulit into what it is right now. So for that I will forever be indebted. So coming to the main point, bold conversations was just the beginning. We are evolving. So over the last 6 months, we have been observing, experimenting, and learning. And one thing became very clear: the challenge was never the lack of good trainers, the challenge was never the lack of good topics, the challenge was something else. Most trainers, most of you know how to conduct a session, but many of you are still struggling to bring people into the room. All of you are freelance trainers, and all of you need to learn that art. So, when we saw this, we also realized that opportunities alone are not enough, because even if someone gets a facilitation opportunity, the next question becomes, how do I build visibility? How do I build credibility? How do I attract audiences? How do I create what do you call opportunities consistently? And that is where we felt something was missing. A lot of analysis has gone behind this, and then we realized that not just for Atulit, but for trainers everywhere, this is the same problem that all are facing. So if I have to delve a little bit more into it, I personally would say that a trainer's growth is not based solely on their facilitation skills. Um, it depends on their visibility, credibility, audience building, relationships, consistency, professional growth, facilitation. It is just one part of a big puzzle. And that's when we started asking ourselves, you know, what if we could create something bigger than an event series? What if we could create a growth ecosystem for every trainer within our system and outside also? So this is where, I am really, really excited to introduce the evolution of bold conversations. That is the Atulit Trainer League. So, people who have been with me from the beginning, I have always been telling you that we are eventually going into an ecosystem which will make you do a lot of things and help you learn a lot more things. And that is where we are reaching currently. So, ATL, which is nothing but Atulit Trainer League, it is not a replacement for trainers. It is not a replacement for what do you call, one second, it is not a replacement for opportunities. This ATL is an ecosystem designed to help trainers learn, facilitate, build audiences, earn, and grow. So our vision is very, very simple: to create a professional community where trainers support each other, challenge each other, and grow together. Because challenge is a must. So, what changes now from bold conversations to the league that we are going into? Instead of multiple independent sessions happening without a a larger structure, ATL will now follow a monthly learning journey. Every month, we will have two bold conversations, one masterclass, and one workshop. So each month will be revolving around a specific theme, and each event will build on the previous one. So, this creates a stronger learning experience for participants and a stronger platform for trainers also. So, what is the July theme per se, if I am going to actually talk about it? So, when we are talking about July here, the first topic that what do you call, ATL has chosen for its how do I put it? There is another guest. Just give me a second, guys. I'm just making, yeah. So, the for the month of July, what is going to happen is the theme that we are building upon is nothing but the trainer growth blueprint. This entire July, we are going to work on that. And what do you call, what is this trainer growth blueprint? It basically is like I said, I have two bold conversations, and these two bold conversations and the masterclass and the workshop are all interrelated to this theme. So if a trainer joins for the first bold conversation, their growth will come down and finish after the workshop. So your bold conversations are for 60 minutes. And the topic for the first conversation is why great trainers remain invisible. The main crux of answering that entire conversation is why do highly capable trainers struggle to attract opportunities while others with less expertise seem to get noticed? So we are going to build our entire bold conversation on that particular thing. The second bold conversation, the topic we have is what really makes people trust a trainer. So for the first bold conversation, we have built trainer awareness. Now for the second bold conversation, we are building a trainer's insight. So, the topic for this is why great trainers remain invisible. The core question that we are targeting to answer is why do highly capable trainers struggle to attract opportunities while others with sorry, I'm saying the same thing. So, my thing is the second one is what really makes people trust a trainer. That is our second bold conversation. So here we are going to answer the question, why do some trainers instantly earn credibility while others struggle despite impressive qualifications? Now, coming to the master class, here we are going to start building their skills. It is completely related to skill building. So, the topic for that is audience to opportunity. So, here we are going to concentrate on how trainers build visibility, credibility, and demand. That will be for 90 minutes. And then the last one is what you call design your 90-day trainer growth plan. That is the workshop. So we are going to make the trainers do their own activities, and we are going to make them completely make a 90-day growth plan. And because you see, what happens? We think of a lot of things, but we procrastinate so much. We talk about our children procrastinating, but we ourselves procrastinate so much and we don't do it. But when you have it on paper, once you know what to do about it and how to go about it, it becomes very easy for you to execute and implement it. So the July theme is based on this. And the August theme will be related per se to something which is there in the July theme. But again, it will be building. We will be building people now. It is not just one session. We will be building people on and on. That is how it is. So, where is the biggest shift happening? And this is the most important change, that we are going to talk about. It is audience building. Okay. Over the last few months, we realized that uh, many trainers depend entirely on posters and social media posts. But audiences, they don't realize that audiences are built through relationships. I can give you a simple example for this. Here, I would like to just quote whenever Bindu Chuk takes any kind of what you call any kind of a session, you know, she gets people to her webinar along with whatever is going on. Same, if you actually see recently, we have had Asha also do that. She had about 10 people, she I don't know, enrolled about 20 people, out of which 6 or 7 showed up. That is how it usually happens. So uh, what we want to make the trainers also realize is that, audience are not is you don't get audience just by posters, but there is a complete different way of getting it, which we will be training them in once they come into the ATL. Okay. So one of ATL's major objectives is to help trainers learn audience building skills, because the ability to fill a room is just as important as the ability to conduct a session. So this is a skill we will build together, not alone. We will give you the tools, we will give you the techniques, we will give you the scripts, everything. And that is just something which is going to happen in 1 month. I'm just talking about 1 month here. So one thing we have realized over the last few months is that um, growth does not happen only when we do felicitation. Okay, growth happens as a continuous learning, which is why every ATL member will have access to a dedicated trainer enhancement boot camp, which is going to happen every month. Every month we are going to come up with a new topic. Every month we will be conducting for, I mean, one members only development session. It might be facilitation skills, it might be audience building, it might be LinkedIn visibility. You have 10 different things over here. These are the focus areas that we are going to build you into. Specific boot camps only for trainers. So the objective here is very, very simple, to help every ATL member becoming a stronger and successful professional. So ATL is not only about facilitating sessions, it is also about continuous development. Another thing that we are coming up with is, now Atulit has gone into content creation, wherein we are creating different packages. Okay, another exciting opportunity which ATL members will be receiving. So we are building learning solutions, that means packages for schools, corporates and colleges. So as ATL grows, members from the ATL will be given opportunities to become part of content creation programs and designing and be a part of our team. So this means trainers can contribute towards workshop design, learning journeys, curriculum development, assessment tools, activity creations, facilitation guides, many things. So this creates opportunities for trainers to contribute beyond facilitation, because not every trainer wants to only conduct sessions, right? You have to learn to create your own content, you have to learn to create your own packages. So some trainers might be excellent designers, some trainers can be excellent creators, and some trainers can be excellent thinkers. You can give wonderful brainstorming ideas that can be put into action by the others. So ATL will be providing a platform for all these things also, to what you call enhance your strengths. Now, what is this membership model that I have been talking about? Till now, uh, a pro trainer that we had, or the bold conversations that we had, we were, what do you call, taking about 1,250 per conversation. Correct me if I'm wrong. Correct? Yes. So just in short, to make ATL sustainable and meaningful, we are moving towards a membership model where we have two different membership schemes. One is a monthly membership scheme where you pay 999 to be a part of all this, not only one conversation, everything, whatever we are talking about, your boot camps, your conversations, your master classes, your workshops. You will be a part of each and everything. And later on, if we feel that your niche is suitable, you will be into content creation also, because that is developing very fast. Because we've now it's like we are just expanding like hell. So a monthly membership is 999. If you want a seasonal membership, it is 2699 for 3 months. All this will be sent to you in what you call complete PDF. So, what do ATL membership? I mean, what does it actually include? This is There is a quarterly membership 999 Insia. This is a little bit this thing. It is 699. So we need to change that later on. It's 2699 for 3 months.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. So what all do we have in this membership? We have eligibility for facilitation opportunities, monthly trainer enhancement boot camp, which will go on for about 2 to 3 hours, ATL trainer community, audience building support, participation in content creation teams, school, college, and corporate project creation opportunities because we are collabing with a lot, recognition and rewards, league leadership participation, networking and collaboration opportunities, visibility through ATL platforms. So, all this is included in this membership model. We also want trainers to benefit financially from their efforts. So for paid ATL events, like we have done previously, we are going to do the same thing. 50% of the audience fee goes to the facilitator and 50% goes to Atulit Academy. So this creates a shared responsibility for audience generation and event success from Atulit's side and your side also. One of the biggest differences that between ATL and the traditional trainer communities is that your contributions will be visible and recognized henceforth. So every ATL member will earn points throughout the season. So points can be earned through facilitating sessions. Different points are given to different things. Attending ATL events, bringing participants, referring trainers, community contribution, supporting fellow facilitators, content creation, audience building activities. All these points will be contributing towards the ATL leaderboard. Now, when I am saying leaderboard, so there must be a league recognition also, right? So at the end of every season, ATL will recognize outstanding contributors and awards will be given accordingly. We have an audience magnet award for the trainer who consistently attracts participants. We have a community builder award for the trainer who actively supports others, because this also we feel is a very important thing. We have a content contributor award for meaningful contribution to learning, design, and program creation. We also have a Rising Facilitator Award for exceptional growth during the season. We have a highest rated facilitator award based on participant feedback. Yes, trainers. From now on, every participant will be receiving a professional feedback form like you do for corporates. So you will be rated by the audience. It will be no longer constructive, visible feedback and all that is going on. It is going into it is becoming a very, very formal platform now. We also have ATL League Champion, which is the highest overall performer of the season will be awarded that. So these are the awards. Now, what are the rewards? So recognition will not be limited to only, the moment you finish any kind of a bold conversation or a masterclass or a workshop, please know that immediately you will be getting your, what do you call, letters from Atulit, emails from Atulit, uh, stating that you have given such and such a session for so many people and this was the feedback that you have received. Obviously, when it is a positive feedback, we will give that. Otherwise, we will remove the feedback point. So, yeah. So, rewards may include featured trainer status, website spotlight, podcast features, priority facilitation opportunities, corporate project consideration, content creation opportunities, strategic collaborations, ATL Hall of Fame recognition. We are going to start our Hall of Fame also along with everything from July onwards, because we want contribution to be rewarded now. Now, the biggest change is, I really want to be transparent over here. ATL no longer is based on first come, first serve like we did for bold conversations. ATL is not based on how long someone has been with us. ATL opportunities will be earned now. Now, how will they be earned? By participation, contribution, professionalism, audience building efforts, facilitation capability, community support. Basically, for all these, you will be getting points. And based on those points, thank you, Kalpana. So, based on those points, you will be given an opportunity to facilitate. Atulit will be choosing their facilitators now. So, because July is our founding month, since ATL is launching in July, we will have a special category called the founding facilitators. For July, we will be selecting two bold conversation facilitators, one workshop facilitator, and one masterclass facilitator. The selection will be based on overall contribution, capability, and readiness. Starting August, because the your scoreboard would have started by then. Opportunities will be linked to ATL performance and participation. So, what exactly do we expect from ATL members? We want you to clearly know that we are building a community and not a directory, which means we expect members to participate, support fellow trainers, promote ATL initiatives, contribute ideas, share learnings, celebrate wins, because the strongest communities are built when members help each other succeed. So, what's going to happen next? After today's meeting, applications for ATL founding membership will be open. Applications for July facilitation opportunities will be open. Both are in one. We will be sending it to you the minute the meeting is over. The July calendar will be released on Monday. Founding facilitators will be announced, and on 1st July, ATL officially begins. So, in short, if I say what ATL success looks like, I can just say that imagine that where you would be in a few months: a stronger facilitator, a better audience builder, part of a professional trainer community, contributing to learning solutions, building visibility, creating opportunities, earning through your expertise, and growing alongside fellow trainers. This is the future we want ATL to create. So, before we conclude, I want you to leave with one thought: the future belongs to trainers who can do more than facilitate. The future belongs to trainers who can build trust, build communities, build audiences, create impact. So, that is the journey ATL is designed to support. And yes, we are now a completely professional platform from a formal platform. And what you call, it would be great if all of you could be a part of it. I would love having all of you as members, but Atulit will go on. Please understand that, because there is no stopping. I have never believed in stopping. You will be surprised once you come inside. Because the first thing, okay, come inside, then I'll let you know. Okay, so thank you for being believing in Atulit. Thank you for believing in me. Again, I am forever grateful to all of you. Forever. So, yes, I have come to an end of this session. I will be taking questions now.